So we're on our last day in Dali and we're actually doing a little day trip away from Dali city. Right now we are in Weishan, which is a little town just like 20 minutes with the train from Dali city, and it's so beautiful. It's not as known and you can tell it's really authentic. It has a little bit that more old school feel. However, you can still find tea shops and like very cool coffee shops and everything. But it's very relaxed and a more laid-back vibe. Definitely not that commercial vibe that you have like in Dali Ancient Town. And we're just gonna roam around here for a few hours and soaking it all in. We're really enjoying all the beautiful like storefronts. We're just taking one shot after another. And yeah, it's basically this one main street right now we're at, with these beautiful gates in between, like the one you can see behind me. And yeah, the weather is also nice. So yeah, we're enjoying right now. So just quickly wanna out my enthusiasm over this town. I really love it here. I'm so happy we didn't miss our train because it was very close. Anywho, it's really worth coming here if you just wanna have a relaxed like walk through the town. I think we now did the main street in an hour leisurely from one side to another, and obviously we looked inside the shops a little bit. Also, again, the cat that we've seen in Dali so much, like the crazy tile cat that we talked about, is also omnipresent here. And actually we're really thinking of taking one home now. We're like looking and which one we like the most, which speaks to us the most, and we might take a souvenir home then from Weishan.
Ja? versus braised beef. I think I put
Yeah.
pork. It tastes more like beef.
I have a feeling in the end we got actually the same, just with different noodles. I didn't see any difference at the beginning. We really loved our half-day trip to Weishan, so if you have a little bit more time, go there. It still has a little bit more that authentic feeling in our opinion, even though you see already like also more shops popping up, and I don't know, maybe in the future it might head towards that Dali ancient city, I don't know, but at the moment it is just gorgeous, very serene and relaxed, and we loved it there.